Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm so excited to take you on a virtual walking tour of one of Costa Brava's best beaches, Calet. Before we start, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it so far and leave a comment letting me know what you think. As we embark on this journey, I'm sure you're feeling as thankful as I am for modern technology that makes it possible to experience such amazing places from all around the world. As we wind through the streets, take in the old world architecture and all the small details that make places like this special. You can almost feel the sea breeze and smell the salty air as we finally reach our destination. The beach at Calet is simply breathtaking. It's known for its clear waters and amazing landscapes, but you can also find plenty of ocean activities like kayaking and windsurfing. Of course, you can also just get a tan or take a dip in the sea. No matter what you choose to do, the one thing that you can guarantee is that your experience here will be unforgettable. The great thing about this beach is that it is close to both Barcelona and Girona, so you won't need to go far to get here. As I mentioned before, it's known for its clear waters. But let's not forget its surrounding wetlands, which are home to some of the region's wildlife such as marsh harriers and Mediterranean herons. As we wrap up our tour, I hope it has inspired you to come and visit or even take a break away from the hustle and bustle of city life. If you've enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!